What's the deal, man? This is your boy OG Mone, man. I just got a quick message for you young boys out here in the street hustling. Y'all know that the game is done, man. If you can't, put your hands or have access to at least $10,000, get out the streets, man. Get you a job. Get you some health insurance, some life insurance. Think about your family. Think about your kids. You just wasting time, man. You could be making some money. You can't touch 10,000. You ain't doing something right. And I'm speaking from experience. You know what I'm saying? I hustled for a lot of years. And some of them years, it was a few. I couldn't touch $10,000. You know what I'm saying? So if it's not worth the risk, why do it? Be smart, man. Get out the streets, get your job. Ain't nothing wrong with an honest day's work. It helps the community. It helps your family. It helps you. Get out them streets, man. It's not worth it no more. I understand why we did it back in the day. We was misled to think that hustling was a way to a better life. But we found out at the end of the road, it was a lot of tragedy, disappointment, all type of negative things came from us trying to make a better way. We got caught up, got complacent, and now it's just become just something to do. It's dead, man. Get out the streets. Get out the streets, man. This is coming from your OG, man. OG Mone, man. I hope, everybody have a great Saturday. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're going to have a lot of content. I'm getting everything together, man. I want to use this platform to bring us together to share knowledge and so we can get a better understanding, get on one page and help our community. Get out the streets, young man. Get you a job, man. Holler at your OG, man, if y'all need any type of advice, man, or anything I can do to help. Just get in my inbox, man, and let me know. I appreciate you, man. Peace.